Have you ever seen this way of growing fruit trees at home? The method is simple and highly productive. In the end, you will gain a lot. Please see the operation below. First, cut a healthy and disease-free fruit tree branch. Trim off excess leaves. Tie the branches into an arc. Cut off both ends of the branch. I used a banana to smear the incision here. The role of both cambium parenchyma cells of interest. Quickly heals wounds and promotes rapid rooting. It is better to add rooting agent. Fill 2 cups with soil, cutting both ends of the branch into the soil. Water thoroughly. Cover with a protective bag for protection. New shoots and leaves have grown. See here. Believe in your youth. Light up the little red heart to support me. Water to soften the soil first. Pull out the branch. At this time, you can see that the big white root has grown. It can be transplanted into pots. In order to ensure the survival rate of later transplanting, it is recommended to use organic nutrient soil because the soil is loose and breathable. Good for long-term water retention. Transplanting soil is important. Banana peels can be crafted into natural liquid organic fertilizer. If conditions permit, it will be better to apply some rice husks. Advantages of fruit tree grafting or cuttings. It is an excellent trait that can maintain ear formation. Early fruiting of dwarf plants. Pay attention to my previous sharing to learn various planting tips that are updated every day. Leave a message in the comment area with questions. See you next time.